Hello class. This video will basically go over the style for the position essay. You should already have been working on it, excuse me. This is just to cover some of the things that I've noticed throughout your journal entries, just to kind of let you know, make sure you check on these before you turn it in. There is still plenty of time. You have till December 7th to get your position essay in. All right, so you should already, as you can see, I have it up here. You should already have seen the information and the rubric. So you're going to go off of one of these prompts, and you just one, and it's a 3 to 5 page essay. Now, it does say APA or MLA. I prefer APA. It's just easier for me to review. I'm just more, I know it better than I do MLA. But if you're more comfortable with MLA, feel free to use that instead. All right. And here are the rubrics as far as that's concerned. Okay, now I'm going to close that out and let's go to Purdue OWL. So this is a very well developed resource for you to use when you are putting your paper together. And a couple of things that I want to make sure I cover is that on the formatting and style guide for APA, it does require a cover sheet. So let's go to the style. Okay, let's find. Okay, so here is an example of the title page. So you're going to have your running head. And then on subsequent pages, it won't have the words running head in it, but it will still have your title, okay? You don't need an abstract, okay? But you do need the title page and then your subsequent pages followed by your reference page. Also remember, your paper is to be double spaced, Times New Roman 12-point font. One of the things I saw in many journals is that there was an extra space between paragraphs. That is not part of the formatting, so no extra spaces between paragraphs. Make sure you're paying attention to your widows and orphans. Now, what I mean by that is, and I've put this in several of the journals, if you have a word it's only one word on a line of text in your journal, I tagged it as a widow because it's only one word. It doesn't have any words next to it. The minimum is 3 words per line of text on any writing. And if it's an orphan, that just means if you go to another page and at the top of the page there is one word and then you go to a new paragraph, that one word is considered an orphan. It's the same thing. You need to make sure you have 3 words per line of text. Okay? Otherwise I will count off for that as well. Also, make sure you are writing in third person. So you're not to do the I. It is not your own version like in the journals. So make sure you're writing in the third person. And make sure you include your reference page on the back, at the back. So I'm going to show you one of my pages that I've done in the past. Let's see. I know, it'll take me just a few minutes to find it. That's my outline. Nope. Where are you? Okay. So as you can see here, I have the cover page with the running head and the number, and the date you put on it is the date it's due, not the date that you wrote it. All right, then here are the rest of them. This is my subsequent pages with the title or part of the title with a number at the top. You don't have to worry about any of those type, but you're going to have your introductory paragraph along with your thesis statement. Make sure you have your thesis statement in there. Then you're going to have your body copy, which is supporting your thesis statement. and then you'll have your conclusion. You don't have to write conclusion, okay? And then your references page. All right, make sure it is indented like you see here. Okay. Yours won't be as intense as this one is, but I just wanted to show you how you start it with the title page, the subsequent page numberings and title, your introductory paragraph with your thesis statement, your body paragraphs, then your conclusion. Make sure in your conclusion you're restating your thesis, then include your references page. Okay? So that is all for now, and like I've done before, the code word today is going to be Advent, A-D-V-E-N-T. So that will help you on your final. I'm actually going to give you a few more points for that, so watch for that in your final coming up in about a week. Enjoy the rest of your day, and let me know, email me if you have any questions, and I will talk to you again soon.